Good morning, everyone. My name is Jubel Coliso Orsino, and today I am going to present my report about blogging. So, what is a blog? A blog is a shortened form of the word weblog. It is an online journal or website where a person called a blogger. A blogger can write a post, add pictures, videos, and provide links to other websites. Readers of the blog can leave comments, making a blogs interactive. Now, let's proceed to the tips for writing a blog. We have here 10 tips for you to remember in writing a blog. The first one is be short and direct. This means that keep your sentence simple and easy to understand and avoid using unnecessary words. Next, ask a thought-provoking question. This means that start with a question that makes readers curious or encourages them to reflect. Next, ask a multiple choice question. This can catch attention and make your introduction interactive. Next, share a shocking fact or a statistics because surprising information grabs the reader's interest immediately. Next, share something personal. Personal stories make a blogs relatable and more engaging. The next one is withhold a compelling piece of information. This means that keep your readers interested by teasing an important detail that you'll explain later. Next, refute conventional wisdom. This means that challenge a common belief to make your blog intriguing and unique. Next, lead with a success story because people love inspiring stories. They build credibility and motivate readers. Next, start with a reader's questions. Next, start with a reader's question. This means that use a real questions you've been asked. It shows that you understand your audience. The last tips we need to remember in writing a blog is share a quote because a meaningful quote can set the tone or support your message. Now, let's proceed to the different types of blogs and their examples. The first one is personal blog. A personal blog focuses on the writer's own stories, opinions, and experiences. It's like an online diary but made for sharing. Example of this is The Pioneer Woman. Next, educational blog. Next, educational blog. Educational blogs aim to teach or explain topics clearly so that readers can learn new information. Example of this is Khan Academy blog. Next is travel blog. Travel blogs share stories, photos, and guides about different destinations to help others plan their trips. Example of this is Nomadic Mart. The next one is food blog. A food blogs focus on food experiences, either cooking at home or trying dishes from restaurants. Example of this is is Meeting Kitchen. Next is Tech Blog. Tech blogs helps the readers to understand technology, gadgets, and software updates. Example of this, Daring Fireball. Next, Fashion or Lifestyle Blog. Fashion or lifestyle blogs cover everyday life topics like fashion, beauty, hobbies, and self-improvement. Example of this is Cupcakes and Cashmere. The last one is Business or Finance Blog. Business or finance blogs give tips on earnings, managing money, and growing a business. That's all. Thank you.